In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom header for a Google form. This quick and easy process will allow you to personalize your form and give it a unique touch. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by simply opening your web browser, typing Google Drive, and logging into your account. This is where all your Google Forms along with other Google Docs, Sheets and Slides are stored. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll want to look toward the top of your screen. Here you'll see an option for Apps. Click on this and you'll be presented with a variety of Google applications. Among them, find and click on Forms. After selecting Forms, you'll be taken to a new screen where all your forms will be displayed. If you have an existing form you want to customize, simply scroll through your list and click on it. If you're creating a new form, you can also start here. For this tutorial, I'll assume you have a form ready to be customized. Once you have your form open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, look for an option labeled Customize Theme. Clicking on this will bring up a sidebar that offers you various customization options. This is where the fun begins, as you can start tailoring the look of your form to suit your style or purpose. Now within the customization menu, you want to find where it says Choose Image. Click on this and a window will pop up with several default themes and image options that you can choose from for your form's header. But what if you have a specific image in mind? If that's the case, look for an option in the same window that says Upload from Computer. Click this and you'll be able to browse your own files to select an image that's perfect for your form. Once you click Upload from Computer, navigate through your file folders to find the photo you'd like to use as your form header. Select the desired image and just like that, it will be added to your form, giving it a custom touch that reflects your personal or professional taste. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a custom header for your Google form. Now your form not only serves its purpose functionally, but also conveys a message or brand aesthetic that you aims for. It's a small tweak, but one that makes a significant difference. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you now enjoy a more personalized touch in your form design. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. Thank you for watching.